Here we can see that in an accounts report, the ID that we're given is the 15-digit ID. However, it'd be really helpful to export these records with the 18-digit ID. Let's go over to this record and notice up here in our address bar, we have the full 18-digit ID. So what we're going to do, in order to grab this and be able to put it into a report or a list view, we're going to go to the account object, create a new field, choose formula as our type. We'll just call it 18 ID. Choose the field type of text. And we're going to type in Casesafeid, and then in parentheses put ID, and then click Next. We don't need to put this on any page layouts, so I'm just going to save it. Now I'm going to go back to my report and I'm going to edit it. And in my outline, I want to type in 18, but because I just created it, it's not showing up yet, so I'll refresh my screen. And then try it again. Now I can add the 18-digit ID into my report. And when I export these records, I can manipulate them in Excel and feel comfortable that I have the values of capital A, capital B, capital C being considered different from lowercase abc.